Shut up and sit down.
Hey you Skellywags! Today we're having a look at a few custom capes. Here from Max Bird's shop. Take a look at that. If you like what you see, go and check him out. Tell him Skelly sent you. Let me just put that barcode thing there so you can maybe scan it or do what you want. For Lady Death, we'll have a look at this one. For her, she's got a plastic cape currently. And we'll have a look at this one for a Death Company, this guy, Sergeant. I'll put it on him. These two will do for another time, as I've got some other bits that are coming, not yet arrived. So we'll look at those in another video. So we'll start off with Lady Death. So we'll look at the figure first. Here she is. Brilliant little figure, or big figure really, compared to what I normally collect. From a loose collector, I believe. I've got a couple more figures from this line on pre-order. And this cape here is just plastic. Nice, but still. So let's open this up for the first time. So I kind of went all in with grabbing a few things without having bought anything before from Max Bird shop, but all of it looked great. So I thought I'd give them a go. Ooh, lovely, lovely texture on this cape. Wired, that skull as well. Great attention to detail. Wired all the way through. That is amazing. So a lot of wire there to work with. Right, so let's get her prepared and get this cape on. This head I'm not fond of taking off. It comes off with the peg bit on it, so I'll do it off camera, bring it back. Great. Right, so there's the cape. And here's the figure. So I suppose I'll just pop that on there. And then there's a lot of wire to work with. Get it, be able to get it in some really dynamic poses. Right, let's sort her out. So here is Lady Death in all her soft goods cloak goodness. So yeah, tons of opportunity here to create dynamic stuff there. Posing with the cape, although she's difficult to stand, the really high heels and stuff, but yeah, that's her, works well. Next up will be fitting on the soft goods for Sergeant of Blood Angels Death Company, which we've got this one. So this is going to be a bit more complicated than Lady Death, as it is more than just a cape. There's a few other bits here, which is really, really good. So I may need to look online. I know Max Bird did a video how to put this on, so I may have to refer to that. I'll link it in the description, because I think I'm going to need to do that. This is the cape, wired again, which is great. Look at that, made specifically for these guys, or any intercessor really it'll fit on. This, okay, so those bits are separate. sticky bits. I think that's for the leg. This chain bit, I think that's for the chest. This crotch piece, and that. Ooh, that's nice. Look at that. I think that goes on a leg or something like that. Yeah, I'm gonna check out the video on YouTube. Link it in the description, and we'll see how it is. So here is the Sergeant of Death Company, all equipped with the Max Bird. It's customs. The chain there, down there, connected with that. More than custom cape though. It's got this bit here. Look, the leg, and this bit's come down. It comes down a bit. This one, so you'll have to keep an eye on that. So all these little bits come with it, which is really good. And that just come to the side. So yeah, really like all these little bits that they come with as well, especially the chain, or the chains. So there you go. Now the cape, designed really well, how it fits on. Although it looks great with this helmet, I'm going to use him with the his unhelmeted head, because I think he looks quite good with that and these custom bits, like a hero figure, a hero marine. Yeah. There you go. Awesome. We'll just get on some of his weapons. See how it looks. His pistol there. One of his chain sword in his hand. Yeah, quite like the pistol and chain sword combo for this guy. Right, it's gonna change up the angle of the camera. So let's get a few of his brethren next to him. Oh, this leg thing's come down again. Right, so this custom I did the other day, thanks to Fryhole Customs, with these pieces I got, the backpack and the helmet. This guy looking like your standard marine, and this guy unhelmeted. So I'm just slowly acquiring little bits here and there to give these guys an individual look from each other. So that's it, just a quick one. Should have the Cult of Rhea video out this weekend. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff, and I'll scale you later. Before I forget, just wanted to show that the chain on the side can hold this chain sword, a little bit on the side. So yeah, you can just pop it in the side there and it'll hold it nicely. Lovely little addition there. Max Bird shop, check it out.